Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is Class 8 Maths Algebraic Expression and Identities. Exercise 9.2. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is find the product of the following pairs of monomials. 4 and 7p. So 4 into 7p equals to 4 into 7 is 28 and p. So it is 28p. Minus 4p and 7p. So 4 into 7 minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. P into p is p square. So it is minus 28p square. Minus 4p and 7pq. So minus 4 and 7 is minus 28. P and p is p square and q. So it is minus 28p square q. 4p cube minus 3p. So 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. P cube into p is p raised to 4. 4p into 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. So the answer is 0. The second question is find the areas of rectangle with the following pairs of monomial and their length and breadth respectively. So first one is PQ. So length is P units and breadth is Q units. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So P into Q. So it is PQ square units. Next is 10 meter and 10 m and 5n. So length is 10 m units and breadth is 5n units. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 10 m into 5n, that is 10 into 5 is 50 mn. So 50 mn square units. Next is 20 x square 5y square. So length is 20x square units and breadth is 5y square units. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So that is 20x square into 5y square equals to 20 into 5 into x square into y square. So it is 100 x square y square square units. Fourth question is 4x and 3x square. So length is 4x units and breadth is 3x square units. So area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, that is 4x into 3x square, that is 4 into 3 into x square. So 4 into 3 is 12, x into x square is x cube. So it is 12x cube square units. Fifth is 3mn and 4np. So length is 3mn and breadth is 4np units. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So 3 into 4 is 12. Mn into np. So it is m, nn is n square and p. So it is 12m n square p square units. Third question is complete the table of products. So this is the first monomial and this is the second monomial. We have to find the product. So 2x into 2x is 4x square. Same way 2x into minus 5y, so it is minus 10xy. 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. 2x into minus 4xy is minus 8x square y. 2x into 7x square y is 14x cube y. 2x into minus 9x square y square is minus 18x cube y square. This way we have done all this product. Next, fourth question is obtain the volume of rectangle boxes with the following length and breadth and height respectively. So first is 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to 4. Length is 5a, breadth is 3a square, height is 7a raised to 4. Volume of box is L into B into H. So 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4. So 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 7 is 105. A, how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 7. So 105 into A raised to 7 cubic units. Next is 2p, 4q, 8r. Your length is 2p, breadth is 4q, height is 8r. Volume of box is L into B into H. So 2p into 4q into r 8r. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 8 is 64 PR QR cubic units. Next is xy, 2x square y, 2xy square. Length is xy, breadth is 2x square y, height is 2xy square. Volume of the box is L into B into H. So xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So it is 1 into 2 into 2. That is 4 x raised to 4 y raised to 4 cubic units. Next, A, 2b, 3c. Length is A, breadth is 2b, height is 3c. Volume of the box is length into breadth into height. So it is A into 2b into 3c. So the answer is 6abc cubic units. Question 5. Find the product of xy, yz, zx. So we will multiply all the three. So xy into yz into zx equals to x square because 2x are there, y square because 2y are there, z square because 2z are there. So answer is x square, y square, z square. A minus a square, a cube. So a into minus a square into a cube. That is minus a raised to 6. How many a are there? So 1, 2, 3 and 3. That is 6. So a raised to minus 6 is our answer. 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube. So 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 is 1024 and y. So 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6. So y raised to 6. So 1024 y raised to 6. Next is A, 2b, 3b, 6abc. So we will multiply this. So we will get 1 into 2 into 3 into 6, that is 36. A into B into C into ABC, that is A square, B square and C square. M minus Mn, M and P. We will multiply all the three. So we will get M raised to cube minus M raised to cube, N raised to square and P. So this was exercise 9.2 of chapter 9 class 8. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. You can please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.